Yes.
You wanna explain?
I want to explain. So first of all, the Tesa Motorsport intake that we had on before started cracking above the cylinder heads. So I bought a new one, billet one, which is better, improved design, everything is better. From the design of the trumpets to the height of the breather plate, etc, etc. So we're taking the engine out. At this moment we will rebuild it completely. We'll put that intake on. We will paint everything that you can imagine in this. Because yeah, the block is very nice. We'll possibly also rebuild the gearbox. Everything that you can think of will be new. All the this for the coolant and stuff will also be new. The wiring needs sorting because this is it's very nice.
Nice. New subframe right there.
Yeah, also new subframe. Exhaust needs sorting out. Fuel lines, brake lines. There's so much to be done. So we are at the moment.
We're tearing it apart.
Yeah, we're taking the engine out.
You know, because one day we were just hanging out and we just started pulling it apart, and now.
No, do you remember that guy who helped me put this together? The Laguna guy. His name is Laguna guy.
Yeah, you're the CLIO guy, he's the Laguna guy.
Yeah, and you're the Calibra guy. Well, he came to my place. I asked him about some gaskets and stuff, what to order, what not. He took a screwdriver, not kidding, he took a screwdriver. In half an hour, half of this was gone. I'm planning 2 months. In 2 months this should be on the road. Fingers crossed. But yeah, ordered new mounts because this is broken off for some reason, you know. For some reason. Everything will be sandblasted, painted, everything. I want it to be as good as your Honda.
Never!
Ti ne smi, so ji rekli mati. Tri leta sem jo čakal.
Yo, bitch, wanna comment?
No. I don't know, the engine's now out. Ready to be disassembled.
Here's the gearbox. Woo! Okay, now we can watch the CLIO Renault Master guy work on his engine.
Yeah, we should watch that guy then. It's so easy! Look at that junk. Oh god, like farts.
Tractor guy.
Yeah. It's easier if we have like proper tools, you know, which we don't have. Like, remember last time how much trouble we had removing this? And I was like, boom, 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 easy!
Hey, look, the timing though.
Yes.
Oh, look at this strong boy.
So easy. Imagine doing this with your hand, you would never do that.
I did it like 10 times on my Honda.
Because it's a Honda, it's like it's barely, you know.
It's easy.
Like more precise piece of engineering.
Yeah, it's more of a pain in the ass. There it is. Wow.
There's been silicone on everything, on every bolt, on every gasket. Whoever was putting this together before, silicone over gasket.
Ooh, these are the bearings of this thing. This is
Very
spank.
nice. I mean, if we compare
This
some
one
of
not
them-
bad, but that one. Rip.
Yeah. Look, it goes from worst to bad.
Yeah, that was pretty good, and then
Bam. Oh shit.
nice. This thing is all pulled apart. All the bearings are shot, like the main caps, main bearings. So I think we're done for tonight. Everything's there, bare block. So now the guy is gonna wash it and he's gonna paint it or whatever.
So the engine is no more. We took it apart, found some great stuff. So I guess we just pulled it out in time. Basically all the bearings were pretty
Yeah, the engine wouldn't survive another season. That's for sure.
It would maybe go 1 track day, maybe 2 track days, but then probably like rod knock and damage the crank and everything. But so far, cylinder wall's mint, the crank's mint, everything's mint, just needs new bearings. And now we just want to take the whole suspension off. We got
Yeah, basically you have to take the subframe off completely.
because there's a new one. Everything needs to be freshened up, painted, and all the good stuff.
And you have to sort this wiring. This is like the main cable. Look, it's exposed.
Power cables.
Power cables outside.
Nice.
Nice.
And then of course like painting brake boosters, cleaning everything up, fixing the wires. This mess right here. Yeah, lots of fun ahead. Like finding the right wrench.
Oh my god, yes! Oh,
Ooh, some poo came out.
nice!
We took all the hubs off, all the other hardware, all the bolts. Everything's draining, so also loosened all the 4 subframe bolts, which are right there. And these ones right here. He's just undoing the steering box.
Leave me alone.
And then we're ready to pull the subframe.
So the subframe is off
Good success, it's out. Got the steering column off, everything came off. That's pretty much it. Now we just pull it out and then we do magic on it. The subframe in all of its majesty. There it is. Now we just need to pull all the arms and the steering rack and all those bits off. And once we fix the new subframe, paint it and make it all nice, we'll swap everything over. Subframe's gone wrong.
Gone sexual, went to jail.
Yes. Emotional. The arm has been freed from the subframe. Bushing done. And with the power of proper tools, it was pretty easy. So. Yeah, now we just have to get the hole fixed because we figured out the other subframe is not the same.
It's not the same, yeah. This part is different.
Yeah.
That part is thicker on this side.
Yeah, this has like some reinforcement wire, that one doesn't have it.
Yep.
But pretty much the only problem with this thing is this gaping hole because the mount tore out or whatever.
You know what? Let me quickly explain the point of this.
And it's like cracked right there.
CLIO's 172 phase 1 have this mount for the gearbox that the phase 2 or 182 don't have, and the guy that was doing my timing belts didn't know about this, you know. So he jacked it up and then just snapped. Oops. So it broke here, it cracked here. So yeah, just because of this, because people don't know that this exists. On these cars.
No, so there's a hole, we'll get it welded and it's gonna be reinforced stronger and of course painting the subframe and throwing it back in. Of course all the arms are gonna get new bushings, so we just need that new mount because we had to cut it off.
Yeah, if we'll be able to get it, you know. There's
Yeah, there's no part number.
yeah, there is a part number,
Yeah.
but that's the part number, but Google doesn't find anything.
Google says nope.
Which is a very good sign though. So the next thing we have to do is to go to Renault and
Yeah, get them.
hopefully try and get it.
So,
But my suspicions are that it will be unavailable, or you know, as everything for this guy. So.
also wanted to like start painting stuff in the blog, but it's weekend and it's holiday, so no stores open, so we'll have to wait till Monday to
Yeah.
get some
The
supplies.
block is there. You can actually see it through the window.
Oh yeah, to the window.
It's there.
There it is.
Look at it. Can you see it? No, you can't. It's the it's actually
Oh.
open. I didn't even lock
There's
it
the block.
yesterday.
We stripped it down, and it just needs paint basically, because this side looks decent, but the other side's pretty heinous. So
Yeah, I took it yesterday. I took it to the power
Yeah.
wash, and basically all the rust flew away. If you remember,
yeah, there's like chunks.
yeah, how it looked like when we took it out. So it's very good. Everything off and then just repainted black.
Yep, so that's gonna be next video. This is it for this one, I guess. Next video we'll paint some stuff, prepare some stuff, and hopefully soon some parts arrive. Comment and subscribe, because he's in pain.
Internal suffering meme.jpg. No! It's the wind.